Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and I got another bad paid watch face for you all to check out. If I'm not mistaken, I paid 79 cents for this one. This one is definitely affordable and it gets my stamp of approval. Now, the name of the watch face is called WX Digital 365. I'm loving the bold look into this one. Now, you're also going to get a nice look in the AOD mode. It's going to take out some of the information, but you'll still get your big bold digital time with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like to look at the time. It definitely stands out. You get a nice PM stamp at the top. You're going to get your heart rate information, battery info, step info. As you can see, I'm over 20,000. There's more to come with that. And also, we got the day of the week and your date as well. And you get animated seconds hanging out over here in the corner. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I want to, I can go into my battery. I don't really need to, but I can go into my heart rate information, also my step status info, and I can also go into my calendar. So I thought this was a good look for a paid watch face that was only 79 cents. The question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Is this worthy of a download, or should I have left it right where it was at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Please continue to enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't leave without hitting the like button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.